I have mini F1b Goldendoodle Puppies here. I have Penny and Dominic's litter. I'm going to start with the females. There's 4 females and 5 males in the litter. The pups were born November 19, and they're going to be ready for homes January 14 when they're 8 weeks old. This litter of puppies is very well socialized. They're being played with by kids daily. So this is Millie. She has a light blue flowered scarf. She's the smallest female in the litter. She'll have more of a straighter or wavier coat. You can see her ears are a little darker than the rest of her. So she'll probably keep those highlights as she gets bigger. Looks like I'm going to have to try a different angle here. They all want to play by you. This is Luna with the pink tie-dye scarf. You can see she has a little more curl starting on her forehead and in the ears. So she'll have a good amount of wave to her. I don't think any of the puppies are going to have like a real tight curl. I think Luna's going to have a good amount of wave or a loose curl. Luna is pretty average size for the litter. So she should be in that typical 18 to 25 pound range. See if the others are up to anything. They're very active and playful, but they do have frequent rest periods, which we never know when that's going to be. So this is Lucy with the pink and white polka dot scarf. She's just a shade lighter than 2 of the others here. She is very tolerant, very playful puppy as well. At the moment, she must not feel like doing a whole lot. Oh, look at this sweet face. This is Lily. She has a purple butterfly scarf. You can see the curl starting on her forehead and in her ears as well. Looks like a little teddy bear. So this is the group of girls, and then I'll get started on the boys here in a little bit. Now I have the 5 males of Penny and Dominic, the mini F1b Goldendoodles. I will start with Becks with her green scarf. You can see he's one of the lighter colored pups. He's pretty average size for the litter. He has a cute little face. This is Bud with a blue scarf. He's a little darker than the other males. Very sweet puppy as well. Looks like he'll have a nice wavy coat. This is Cooper with a black and white Christmas scarf. And then I have Coco with a red, white, and blue scarf here. Try to get a little more of Coco here. He is a smaller male. You can see they're very similar in color here. And this is Jack with the yellow scarf. They seem to like toes today. Oh. Here's a little more in Jack. He has a little bit of a white marking on his forehead. Just a small amount on his chin. We'll see if we can get this here eventually. So these are Little Paws of Iowa, mini Goldendoodles. Very nice breed. If you do the research, they're highly trainable. Very family, social dog. So I hope you enjoy the video and let us know if you have questions. Thank you.